Good morning students. Next today we will do question number 10 of miscellaneous exercise chapter 9. The question is the sum of three number in GP is 56. The sum of three number in GP. So we know that in GP series the first term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square. So you can write here A plus AR square is equal to 56. It is given in this question. The sum of three numbers, first, second and third. After that, if we subtract 1, 7, 21 from these numbers in that order means 1 is subtracted from first number, 7 is subtracted from second and 21 is subtracted from third. Then what? Then we obtain an AP. AP is arithmetic progression. So, A minus 1, second is AR minus 7, third is AR square minus 21. So this series is in AP. So when the series is in arithmetic progression, then its common difference should be same. It means second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term, because the common difference is equal in the arithmetic progression series. Find these numbers. We have to find this number. It means we have to find the value of A, AR and AR square. Alright. So let's write here first. Let the three numbers are A, AR and AR square. Alright. So this A, AR and AR square are in GP and the sum of these three numbers is equal to 56. So you can see here. In this first equation, A is common. You will take A as common. So what is there? 1 R plus R square is equal to how much? 56. Now, this condition is in AP series. So, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. Second term minus first term, third term minus second term. They are equal because they both are having common difference of this AP series. Now open the brackets. Minus A, minus plus 1, AR square, minus 21, minus AR, minus plus 7. Now AR minus AR. You will take either this all terms on the left side or you will take this term on the right hand side. So this implies AR square minus 21 minus AR plus 7 plus AR becomes minus AR. Minus 7 becomes plus 7 and put on other side. This minus A becomes plus A and plus 1 is minus 1 is equal to how much? 0 or AR square minus AR, it is minus 2AR. Next, plus A minus 21 plus 7, how much? Minus 14. Minus 14 plus 7, minus 7, minus 7, minus 1, minus 8. And we write here equal to 8. Alright. Now you can see here A is again common from the left hand side. We will take A as a common. Alright. So when A is taking common, what should be left here? R square minus 2R plus 1 is equal to how much? 8. This is equation number 4 and take this equation this equation number second and this equation number third. Alright. Now we are solving equation number second and equation number third by dividing. You have to dividing equation number second by equation number third. So write here dividing equation number second by third. So the second equation is A multiplied with 1 plus R square, and in the third equation the term on left hand side is A into R square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to In equation number second, on the right hand side, number is 50. divided by a. Or now you can see here a is cancelled. Clear? 8 in the 76, 7. Now you have to cross multiply. Alright. So when you cross multiply, what should happen is 1 plus r square. 7 into r square. 7 r square. 7 to r 14 plus 7 1s are 7. Now we are solving this equation. It is take this term on right hand side. So it is 7r square minus 14r plus 7 plus 1 becomes minus 1. It is minus r and this term becomes minus r square. Now 7r square minus r square. It is how much? 6r square minus 14r minus r minus 15r plus 7 minus 1 plus 6. Now you can see here this is the quadratic equation because the highest power variable is 2. Now from 6r square minus 15r plus 6, what is common? Common is 3. It is 2r square minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0. So it 3 becomes 0 and goes on right side. Now 2r square minus 5r plus 2. It is the quadratic equation. We have to solve it by any one of the method, or you can solve it by quadratic formula. Alright. Two r square minus 5r plus 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, how much? 5. So we will write here minus 4 minus 1. It is 2r square minus 4r minus r plus 2 is equal to 0. Now taking common from first and second term and the third and fourth term. So 2r is common. What is left here? R minus 2 minus 1 common. R minus 2. R minus 2 again taking common. What is left here? 2r minus 1 equal to 0. So value of r is here from 2 and from the second factor value of r is 1 over 2. So we are having two values for r. R is what? Common ratio. Now we have to find the value of a. A is what? A is the first term. Now you can put the value of r in this equation number second. When you put r is equal to 2 and find the corresponding value of a, second time put the value of r 1 by 2, then again find the corresponding value for a. Alright. So when r is equal to 2, what is a? A is 1 plus r value is 2. 2 square, how much? 4. Is equal to 56. A is equal to 56 over 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So value of a is here 8. Now again, when r is equal to 1 by 2, what is a? So when r is equal to 1 over 2, a is how much? 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 by 4. Because square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Is equal to how much? 56. Now you will take it as LCM. So what is the LCM here? 4. So it is how much? I think 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 56. 56 into 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 8s are 56. 8 4s are 32. It means when a is equal to 32, r is equal to 1 by 2, and when a is equal to 8, r is equal to 2. It means we are having two cases here. Alright. So first when a is equal to how much? 8, r is equal to 2. So what are the numbers? The first number is a. It means first number is 8, second number is ar, 8 2s are 16. Third number is ar square. So 2 square is 4 and 4 8s are 32. These are the three numbers. Now from second case, this is case 1, this is case 2. Now the second case is when a is equal to how much? 32. R is equal to 1 over 2. Then what is the series? First term is A, 32. Second is AR, So when you multiply this 32 with 1 by 2, you will get 16. Third is AR square. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 multiplied with 32, it is 8. So the second case is 32, 16, 8. Alright. So these are the two cases, 8, 16, 32, and the second one is 32, 16, 8. So this is your question number 10. Next, this is your question number 11. The question is a GP consists of an even number of terms. So even number of terms means like 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So the last term in this GP series we will taken as 2n, because 2n is the term for even number of terms. Alright. If the sum of all the terms is 5 times the sum of terms occupying odd places. So odd places means first term, third term, fifth term, dash dash dash. Alright. Then find its common ratio. It means you have to find the value of r. So the series is a GP series. It means geometric progression. So first term is a1, second is a2, a3, a2, last is 2n. Alright. So the condition is here: the sum of all the terms it means sum from the first term to last term. Last term is here a to n, because the series given here even number of terms is equal to the sum 5 times. 5 times means you have to multiply with 5. The sum of term occupying odd places. So odd places is first term, third term, fifth term. Okay, and the term before the last term is a 2n minus 1, because there are total even terms. So it is a1, a3, last term is a2n minus 1. So this is the given condition. You have to find the value of common ratio. Now this is AR square. Last term is AR 2n minus 1. The general term for the JP series is AR the power n minus 1. So here last term n is 2n. So its value is AR the power 2n minus 1. 5 multiplied with A1. First term is A. Third term is written as AR n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is square 2. Next is AR4, because fifth term is written as AR the power 5 minus 1, that is 4. And the last term is how much? 2n minus 1 minus 1, because here last term n is 2n minus 1. Alright. Now the series is given in GP, so there are two formulas: a r to power n minus 1 over r minus 1, and the second one is a 1 minus r to power n over 1 minus r. So you have to put any one of this formula. Alright, we will put this one a r is what? Common ratio, power n. So what is n here? N is 2n, because there are total even number of terms, and the last term is 2n. So write here 2n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 is equal to 5 multiplied. Now you can see here these are the terms occupying which places? Odd places. So they are again in which GP series? First term is a, and the common ratio is how much? R square, a r square over a. Ratio is r square. So third term a r over by r square. A gets r square. It means common ratio is again same in this series. It means they are again in GP series. So you can again put the formula for sum of this GP series. So here a first term is a. Ratio is what? Common ratio. Ratio is r square, not r. Common ratio is r square. Write here r square power n. So what is n here? If there are total 2n terms and we are occupying only odd places, then the power n is here only n. Because suppose there are total 10 terms and we are occupying only odd places, then there is only 5 terms, because 10 by 2 is 5. 5 occupying odd places and 5 even places. So here power is n only because there are total 12 terms. So half of it is n minus 1 over r minus 1. R is again what? R square. Common ratio is r square. Now we are solving this. A r to the power 2n minus 1 over r minus 1 5 minus 5. So r square is power n. So check for power. It means it is multiplied. R 2n minus 1. Now r square minus 1. You can written 1 as 1 square. So its formula is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So it is written as r plus 1, r minus 1. So you can see here r to the power 2n minus 1, r to the power 2n minus 1. It is cancelled. R minus 1, r minus 1. Cancel. Now we have to cross multiply. Okay, students. Sorry, I will say right here also. A is again cancel. So what is left here? Only 1. Is equal to 5 divided by how much? R plus 1. Alright. Now when you cross multiply r plus 1 into 1, r plus 1 is equal to 5. And value of r is 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So common ratio is 2. Clear, student? This is your question number 11. Next, question number 12. The sum of the first 4 term of an AP is 56. So the series given here AP. The sum of the first 4 term. First 4 term is A plus B, A plus 2B and A plus 3B. Alright. So these are the first 4 terms in AP series. And its sum is given, that is 56. So write A plus A plus B plus A plus 2B plus A plus 3B is equal to 56. Equation number 1. The sum of the last 4 term is 112. Last 4 term. So the last 4 terms is written as, suppose the first term is A1, A2, A3. Last term is what? An. So term before an is an minus 1, an minus 2, an minus 3. So the condition is here the sum of the last 4 term. Last 4 term is this. Its sum is given how much? 112. The sum of the last 4 term is 112. So we write here an minus 3, an minus 2, an minus 1 plus an is equal to 112. So the formula for an minus 3 is how much? The general formula for AP series is A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus n minus 1. Here n is what? N minus 3. So A plus n minus 1. So minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 into D. Formula for this is A plus n minus 3 into D, because minus 2 minus 1 is again minus 3. A plus n minus 2 into D, because minus 2 minus 1 is minus 2, and the formula for A is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is 112. Equation number 2. If its first term is 11, so first term is A is given, that is 11. Find the number of terms. It means we have to find the value of n. We have to find the value of n. There are how many terms in this AP series? So first we will find the value for D. D is what? Common difference. So you will see here in this first equation A plus A plus A plus A. It is 4D. D plus 2D plus 3D. D plus 2D. 3D. 3D plus 3D. 6D. Is equal to how much? 56. Now put the value of A11 in this equation. So 11 into 4, how much? 44. So 44 plus 60 is equal to 56. Take this 44 on the other side. So it becomes 60 is equal to 56 minus 44. How much? 12 and value for D is 2. It means common difference is 2. Now put the value for D and A in this equation number second. We will find the value for what? N. Now again A plus A plus A plus A. It is 4A. Now from this, all these four terms taking D as common. You will take D as common. So what is left here? N minus 4 plus N minus 3 plus N minus 2 plus N minus 1 into D. And the value for D is how much? It is 2. So put here 2. Now value of A is 11. 11 fours are 44. N plus N plus N plus N. It is 2N. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. Minus 7 minus 2 minus 9 minus 1 minus 10. Multiply with 2 is equal to 112. Now take this 44 on the other side. 4N minus 10 into 2. 112 minus 44. How much? 12 minus 4 is then 10 minus 4. Sorry. 10 minus 4 is 6. It is 68. Now this 2 34 is 68 or 4N minus 10 is equal to 34. Or you write here 4N is equal to 44 because this minus 10 goes on right side. It is added with 34. 34 plus 10, 44. And N is equal to how much? 44 plus 2. That is 11. It means there are total how many terms? 11 terms. Please students, this is your question number 12. Thank you.